This hot tub is heated by these Bitcoin miners, which are powered by literal cow poop. Check this shit out.
Beef is great, but it's a complicated process to actually get it on your plate. Like all animals, cows have to eat and poop. They poop a lot since they eat over 25 pounds of food per day. For centuries, humans have found purposes for cow manure. It's often used to grow crops. But did you know it can be also used for energy generation? You can convert cow poop into a flammable gas. This gas then can be used as fuel to run combustion engines. This farm does that, and with their excess energy, they mine Bitcoin. This is where Braiins tests our custom firmware, famous for its auto-tuning and dynamic performance scaling features. Our firmware, which runs on gigawatts worth of machines worldwide, gets a competitive edge thanks to cow poop. That's the beauty of mining. It can be done in the harshest environments far away from civilization for the benefit of everybody involved. Let's have a detailed look at how these Bitcoin miners heat the hot tub. The electricity generated from the cow poop powers 4 S19 XP hydro units in this Antrak hydro cooling cabinet. Each machine runs at 251 terahash per second and consumes 5.3 kilowatts. So this whole cooling system runs just over 1 petahash while heating this hot tub. It mines about $40 of profit a day at 5 cents per kilowatt hour in December 2024. And thanks to Braiins OS, we see 5% better efficiency on each machine. The whole system runs an additional 50 terahash at the same power consumption due to the auto-tuning feature, which optimizes every mining chip in each machine. Hydrocooling is the key to this heat reuse setup. Cold water is sent to absorb the heat produced by the mining machine. It works because of the internal water tank and closed water loop, which sends cold water through the pipes to directly cool down each miner. It does a much more effective job cooling the machines than air cooling. Antrak can fully cool the machines on its own. You can also add a heat reuse case like this hot tub, which actually cools the water down. Here, Antrak serves as a backup cooler mechanism. The Antrak gives users so many options. Paired with Braiins OS, plebs can use industry-leading hardware and software for some awesome heat reuse projects. Rather than purchasing additional equipment, some miners use firmware like Braiins OS to get the most out of their heat control. Dynamic performance scaling, also known as DPS, lets you preset your machine's chip temperature output. If your miner runs hotter than your set limit, it dynamically decreases power consumption until the temperature regulates. With DPS, you can provide consistent and reliable heat from your Bitcoin miners without risk of them shutting down. DPS helps maximize your uptime, especially in the summer months when temperature gets hot. And maximum uptime leads to maximum profitability. So remember, Braiins OS is the shit. A quarter of global energy consumption is used just for comfort heating. It doesn't have to be that way. In Bitcoin mining, every single watt used is converted into usable heat. Miners can reuse their heat to add a new revenue stream. A lot of the heating costs will stay the same, just with Bitcoin miners creating the heat instead of traditional heaters. Once heat reuse projects and businesses start to develop, we could see a revolution in the heating industry. This will also mean a revolution in the Bitcoin mining. Many of us see this happening before our eyes. In 2035 and beyond, we may have an entirely different perspective on Bitcoin mining and heating. There are so many heating use cases: cooking, brewing, cleaning, manufacturing, the list goes on. It's even possible to cook steaks with Bitcoin miners. Profitable Bitcoin mining is contingent on making the most efficient use of your surroundings possible. It's been that way forever, and it will always be that way going forward. So remember, heat is a product, not a problem. We will share more on this soon. Stay tuned.